Hello, my name is Bill Spinelli, and I'm an applications engineer with Photron. Today I'd like to show you how to change the IP address on your new Photron FastCam camera. To do this, open up PFV4. If it's not already running, double-click it. If it doesn't automatically connect to the camera, click Search. By default, your new camera comes with an IP address set at the factory of 192.168.0.10. The network card in your computer also needs to be set to 192.168.0, and the last octet needs to be a number other than 10. Okay, PFV4 found the camera. As mentioned, it's 192.168.0.10, and it tells you the camera model, its color, and its mode. To change the IP address, click the Edit pencil, and then here you can change the IP address to your choosing. So in case you had more than one camera, all of the cameras would come with an IP address set to 10. So you'd want to change the last octet to something different. So I'll change it to 11. So I click OK. Now it's prompted me that the changes will be applied after restarting the camera. So we're going to have to power down the camera by pressing the power button on the rear of the camera. The camera turns off, and now I'm going to power it up again. The Mini booted, it's a fast boot camera. Click Search. And here you can see we're now attached to 192.168.0.11. The IP address change has taken, and the camera is now coded to that. Thank you for your watching.